Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI for free step by step. Grok is an AI assistant that can answer questions, generate images, analyze files, and help with writing, coding, and more. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Grok website. Then, sign in with your X account, Google account, or create a new account if needed. Once you're signed in, you'll see the new chat page. Click the message box at the bottom of the screen. Type your question or prompt, then press Enter or click the Send button. Grok will generate a response in a few seconds. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions. If you want Grok to analyze a document or image, click the Attach button. Select your file, then ask Grok to summarize, explain, or analyze it. The free plan lets you use Grok at no cost, but it has daily or weekly usage limits. If you reach the limit, simply wait for it to reset or upgrade to a paid plan for higher limits. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Grok AI for free. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.